Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp. In order to do this, we're going to be integrating Zapier with Timelines AI, and we'll be showing you this in a quick moment. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. Here on Zapier, we're going to go over to the left side where we have the Create button. Clicking on it, we're going to select Zaps, and right here we have the option to add a trigger. We're going to click on this, and we're going to search for Pipedrive. Now, of course, you can go ahead and use any which you prefer. We're going to be using Pipedrive for this one. And for the trigger event, we can click on it and we can choose new activity. You want to make sure to sign in to connect your Pipedrive with Zapier. And then next, we're going to go over to the second one where we have action and click on it. And then we're going to search for timelines. So here we have Timelines AI. We're going to click on it. And like the first one, we're going to select an event. We're going to select send message to new chat. And then for the account, at this point, we're going to go over to Timelines AI. Under Timelines AI, which is what we're going to be using, we've connected our WhatsApp already. Now, when you create an account, you can easily see a button to connect your WhatsApp to Timelines. When that's done, as we have it here currently, we're going to look to the left where we have automations and then Zapier. We're going to click on Zapier, generate new token, and now we have a new token we can use. And now that we have the token, we're going to go back to Zapier and then we're going to click on sign in. And now you can see we need to paste in the token, which was created in Timelines. We're going to go back to that and then we're going to copy the token. This can be done by simply clicking on it and you can see at the top, copy to your clipboard. We're going to go back to Zapier, and after coming back to Zapier and locating the pop-up, we're going to click on it and paste it and say yes, continue to Timelines. And now you can see that our account on Timelines has been connected to Zapier. Now we're on track for a good integration with Zapier and WhatsApp. You can click on continue, which is going to take you to configurations. And under configure tab, we get to select the WhatsApp account, the phone number, and the message text. You can go ahead and click on continue, where you can have a test and continue to complete your setup. After everything looks good, you can go ahead to the top right corner where you have publish, and this will be activated for you. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to use Zapier with WhatsApp.